The Anker Soundcore Life Q20 is a Bluetooth headphone that offers active noise cancellation, ANC, high-quality sound, and long-lasting battery life. It's a great option for those seeking an immersive audio experience free from distractions, whether at home, work, or while traveling. Active noise cancellation. The Life Q20 features hybrid ANC technology that combines microphone feedback and feed-forward to reduce ambient noise by up to 90%. This means you can focus on your music, podcasts, or audiobooks without worrying about the noise around you. Sound quality. The 40mm drivers of the Life Q20 produce rich, detailed sound with powerful bass and crystal-clear highs. The headphone also supports aptX codec, which delivers superior sound quality compared to standard Bluetooth. Bluetooth connectivity. The Life Q20 uses Bluetooth 5.0 to ensure a stable, wireless connection with your devices. The headphone also has a range of up to 10 meters, so you can move freely without worrying about signal loss. Battery. The Life Q20 offers up to 40 hours of playback on a single charge. If you need more battery, the headphone can be quickly recharged in 5 hours. Comfort and design. The Life Q20 is lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The memory foam ear cushions adapt to your ear, and the over-ear design helps block out external noise. The headphone is also foldable for easy portability. Additional features. The Life Q20 features a built-in microphone for making phone calls or using virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. The headphone also has an ambient mode that allows you to hear what's happening around you without removing the headphones. Conclusion. The Anker Soundcore Life Q20 is an excellent option for those seeking a Bluetooth headphone with noise cancellation, high-quality sound, and long battery life. The headphone is comfortable to wear for long periods and offers a variety of additional features that make it ideal for use in different situations. So, what do you think of the Anker Soundcore Life Q20? If you're looking for a Bluetooth headphone with noise cancellation, high-quality sound, and long battery life, the Life Q20 is a great choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the ShopSmart channel for more electronic product reviews. The link to the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 on Amazon is in the video description. Thank you for watching.